We have there's a coming day, and you know what's going on. Oh my god. Yeah, as you can see, this is cloudy. It's better to be the tomorrow and Sunday we'll have strong wind. Anyways, nakatuwa sa adiak sa tansin ko 30 months daw mo. Main 8:30 registration tagi adiak didi sa may ni na BDC na lingko diyan na didiak sa takinan Orvala. Naman kay ako na won dito sa may uba. Kung Chris Beam na 9:30 ayan o anytime kay mag-iyaman ket son opening ceremony son ceremony celebration 2026. So I said expected friends to come tomorrow and Sunday. Why? Because it's cloudy. Gabi kakusog sa uwan, so that means I expected that the storm winds will come tomorrow and Sunday. Just so you're gonna get more updated by the video kumauton na naman. So yeah, but the video kumauton weekends tomorrow and Sunday I will recommend. Oh god, hindi naman sa I will recommend. Look, I expect the winds or storm winds to come this Saturday and Sunday. This weekend I have no choice but to have strong rains or sunny day. Kung storm winds nani buwas pati Sunday, storm winds nani may super typhoon, may typhoon o bagyo, or just the rain o habaga, pinani o tungko, mauwan inis ka sang kusol sa naman top of me the video kimao ito makakit naman sa imo. Muna mainukin na. Siya, itatib pa daw sa mga Stephen. Stephen James, Timbalitan. Sabi mo siya, dito sa sama na naman. Oy, siya yan, tanad to. Kisman, Timbalitan. Nag-chismis naman na to. Just talk about the video. Kimoto. We are expected more rains to come. So wala nang video kumautin this Saturday and Sunday kaya baka naman ang start naman sa